Okay, let me tell you more about Jinxing Plastic Company Limited. Jinxing Plastic Company Limited actually manufactures and integrates production, trade, and multi-channel operations. That means not only that they produce toys, they can actually do trade and also trade in multi-channel operations. That means overseas, local, different platforms. Now, they also specialize in plastic toys and candy toys. They also cooperated with famous supermarkets and other boutique stores. And they have achieved, or they have patented 168 appearance patents, 14 utility model patents, and they have certifications such as BSCI, GSV, Disney Factory Audit, BJS, China National High-Tech Enterprise. Now, the whole factory or construction area is about 40,000 square meters. The BSCI certification awarded to Jinxing Plastic Company Limited, of course. And I have here their GSV certification as well. But let me just mention that they recently invested in automation of their machines, such as the shrinkable machines, mechanical arms, automatic screw machines, and so on and so forth. I'm in one of their assembly lines right now. So it's a long conveyor with several employees from side to side. So from the beginning of the conveyor is actually the parts. And then as it goes through the conveyor, it starts materializing the product. So it's like from that part, it's like, what is happening here? In the middle, you kind of start to visualize like how the product is gonna look like. And at the end, somewhere here, we have a guy who's putting some screws, probably the bottom part. All right, he's covering the bottom lid of this specific toy or model. We have here, of course, our friends over here. Some are actually installing some of the stickers, but the last part from this assembly line is actually our friend over here who's double checking. If you look at closely, she is actually checking if the controls are working fine, if the buttons are working fine. So she does one of the inspections, so she's a quality inspector. Now, I have here a couple of tools or gauges that they use to test not only the physical parts of the toy, but also the audio, the electronics. So when I say physical parts, we have the torque test. We have a special tool here where you pull, you push. So they have this for the physical parts, how strong, how sturdy they are. And we have here for the electronics, it actually tests, this is specifically for other products, you know, about the dynamo, how much power it generates, is it consistent? So they check that as well. It's one of the qualities that they're looking at. I'm here right now at Jinxing's research and development facility. Now in this facility, they have several designers that actually work on both from the product and also the packaging or the boxes. So they create all the designs here from sketches to 3D modeling.